Hi guys, yeah, today we are going to discuss data types. So, last class we must have discussed some basic topics, I think so. So today we'll discuss about the data types in C language. What is the definition of data types? What are the kinds of data types are available, and how to use? Why we need to call as a data types? These are all the things we will learn today. So yeah. Yeah, in data types we can I can see that data. In data types, what is data? So data is nothing but a what it contains. Data contains the information. So the information it contains. So data is categorized like what what it contains. Data contains the constants constants and variables. Data contains the constants and variables here. So coming to constant, so constants is, for example, I can say these are all character constants. This is a single character constants, we can call it as a character constants. Okay, now, and for example A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, and so 0.95. These are all called as string constants. Coming to 1.23, for example 0.56, x12, 0.56. These are all called as a integer data. So what we learn now, so data in data types, what is data actually? What it contains? The data contains the information. Any kind of information is contains data. Okay, right? We can call it as a data. So basically data is formed with the constants and variables. Constants, what are the constants? We can say character constants, character constants, string constants, character constants, string constants, and integer data. These are integral constants also, we can say. So integral constants. Okay, now coming to another one, what is variable? One second. What is variable? So we learn what is data. Data contains the information. The data is basically made with some constants and some variables. So now, so constants we categorize three types. We had seen actually. So now coming to variables. What is variable? Variable is a identifier. Variable is a identifier. So variable must be declared. Variable is identifier. Variable must be declared. Okay. So what is the syntax of variable? So how to write the variable? We need to know, right? Variable syntax. Syntax. What is the syntax of the variable? Means data type followed with variable name. So variable name. This is the syntax of the variable. Okay. Before that we are using data type. So what is the use of data type? We need to know. We'll learn as coming. We will learn that one. And what is this basically? Data type is a keyword. What is keyword? Keyword is a predefined word. Means already compiler knows about the data type, right? Already knows the data type. So coming to the data type, now we will discuss about data type. What is data type? Data type is a keyword. Already we discussed it. It is a keyword. Okay, and it is a storage of data element. Okay, so why we need, how to define in another way? So it is a declarations of memory locations of variable. So see here, declarations of memory locations of the variable. So basically it will declare the size of the variable. Okay, so the memory location is decided by the data type. Memory location is decided by the data type. Okay, so yeah, we learned about what is data type, right? It is a keyword. It is a storage of element. So, and another way we can define, like, it is a declaration of memory location of variables. So we can, this is a, for example, this is a one memory location. This is a memory location, whatever size, that is dependent on the so this is the memory location. So this variable memory location is decided by the data type, and size also, size of the variable. Okay, now okay, we learn data type. Now coming to now what are the types of data types? Okay, types. There are three types are there. The first one is primitive data types. Second one is derived data types. The third one is user defined data types. So in later classes we'll discuss about these types. Okay, under primitive, character, integer, float, double, these are all come under the primitive data types. Okay, are you getting? Oh. So later on we'll discuss the derived data types and user defined data, how to make the data types which is defined by the user. We'll discuss about the later in classes. Okay, now we need to focus on these things only, the primitive data types. Okay, so basically we can call it as these are the character, int, float, double, these are called as the data types. So these have a specific sizes of each data type, so how they are we'll discuss. Okay, character, this is a character data type, which is it contains the 1 byte of data, 1 byte. So before learning character, we have to learn about the what is a byte. Byte contains the 8 bits. What is a bit? bit is Bit is basically binary data, which is 0 or 1. So now 1 byte means 8 bits should be there, right? So 8 bits of data. Okay, 1 byte. So some address will be allocated by the whatever some address. So here 0 1 1 0 something like that data will be there. Okay, so character is a 1 byte of data. Character data type is it can store only 1 byte of data. Only 1 byte of data, right? Next, integer. Here in integer, short integer and normal integer is there. In short integer, in short integer, it contains the 2 bytes of data. 2 bytes of data. It can store the 2 bytes. 1 byte and another byte. This is a 1 byte of data. This is another second byte of data. Okay, 2 byte means not 2, second byte of data. Okay, some address same. Okay, this contains 8 bits and this is 8 bits, contains the 2 bytes of data. So we will discuss the ranges also we need to know about that. Character in character, the range of the character is minus 127 to plus 128 range, basically 0 to 255. This is a again we have to see some signed and unsigned also we need to learn. What is signed, what is unsigned. We should learn that also because this is very important while writing program. In signed and unsigned character also again uh, we can write like so I'm writing here, don't confuse. Signed, what is signed, what is unsigned. Signed and unsigned. Signed comma unsigned. Signed means which have a signed plus or minus. Okay, it contains the plus values and minus values. Unsigned means only positive values it can take. If we are not write anything, I wrote like this character. So what it means? It means it is a, if I am not writing anything means it is a signed character. Signed character, okay? Signed character. Spelling mistake. Signed, unsigned. Right, understood? So if we are not writing before the data type means it is a signed. If we mention unsigned means, if we want only positive values means we need to mention definitely unsigned. Okay, so the signed character value range is signed character range is minus 127 to plus 128. Sorry, something minus 128 to plus 127. Sorry, minus 128 to plus 127 means what exactly? Means what exactly? So I have a one circle like this. This is, I can say this is a 0 to this is plus 120, this plus 127. Again here what it will plus 127 minus 128 minus 127 till here minus 1. Okay, the range is like now we learned about character. Now we'll go for integer. Okay, integer is, there is a short int, the another one is integer. Okay, coming to short int, coming to short int it is a 2 bytes. The size of the short it is 2 bytes. Already we have seen something about this. This is a 1 byte of data. This is a 1 byte of data. Total 2 bytes of data. It can store. Short int can store the 2 bytes of data. Okay. Integer. So integer may have 2 or 4 bytes of data. Yeah, why you are saying 2 or 4 bytes of that? There is no fixed size of this. So obviously you may get the doubt on this. So basically why I am telling is 2 or 4 byte means some machines based on some platform it may different. For example, in one tool Turbo C, this is also one C editor. The another one is dev cpp. Here integer size is 2 bytes, here 4 bytes. In Linux platform 4 bytes, like, okay. So coming classes, you while practicing you can understand easily, not an issue. Here also we have a signed integer, unsigned integer. Signed, what is the range of the size of integer? So first we'll learn about short int. Okay, the size of the short int is short int 2 bytes. So yeah, I'll tell you once. I have some doubt on this. We'll confirm it. Okay. Integer, coming to the integer signed int and unsigned int. Minus 327682 plus 32767. This is the size of the signed. Unsigned integer 0 to 65535. Size of the unsigned int. Signed int and unsigned int. Okay. And if you go to long int, there is a long int is the machine the size of the long int is 4 or 8 bytes, and long int is what? Long int is 8 bytes. Okay. And float double, long double. Yeah, float has 4 bytes of data. 4 bytes of data. Double contains the 8 bytes of data. It can store the 8 bytes. Long double, some machines have 10 bytes, some machines have 12 bytes, some machines have 16 bytes of data. Okay, yeah. Today we discussed about data types. What is data? So data contains information. Data is a data is basically made with some uh, constants and variables. What is a variable? What is syntax of the variable? What is data type? Types of data types. In that we have seen primitive data types. Okay, so those we completed today. So if you have any doubts, please let me know. I will clarify, and I will clear about that short int. Okay, I forgot actually. I'll definitely clear by next class. uh, Feel free to ask any question. Thank you.